Today I'm a frog because I'm constantly catching grasshoppers and eat them. It's so much fun. Very nutritious too. You want one? But I'm not allowed to get the butterflies. Now I need a rest after all this hopping about. Always keeping a close eye on Timothy to see how he's doing. Enjoying the sun, but look. Oh. Here we go again, another episode. Oh, bliss. Just staying present. I become a scratch post. Timothy is yearning to lie on my lap and getting lots of attention. Whatever he's dealing with, I'm here for him.